for an Austin police officer's sentencing hearing. A jury found Christopher Taylor guilty earlier this month of deadly conduct in the 2019 police shooting of Maurice Da Silva.
And Taylor could receive probation or spend 2 to 10 years in prison. KXAN's Brianna Hollis is live from the courthouse. Bree, even though the sentence is for the 2019 case involving Da Silva, most of the testimony has been related to a different shooting.
That's right. Only one person who was there when police shot Da Silva spoke today. The remaining testimony was about the 2020 police shooting of Mike Ramos. You'll remember Christopher Taylor stood trial for murder in that case. It ended with a hung jury. A subsequent grand jury no-billed him, so Taylor's cleared on that front. Today, there was a lot of talk about tactical decisions from that shooting and at what point officers felt threatened. The officers who did testify today said they did believe Ramos was a threat that day back in 2020. We brought in a former prosecutor to talk about the strategy here.
Their desire is just to make the defendant look as bad as possible for purposes of sentencing. Just as the state would want to introduce evidence making the defendant look bad, and if they're using a specific act or a specific course of conduct, the defense would want to explain away or to justify the officer's behavior in that prior specific instance.
To bring us back to Da Silva's case, APD responded to 911 calls of him walking around his condo complex with a knife to his throat. He did have the knife when officers shot him. Prosecutors say police didn't need to shoot and he was undergoing a mental health evaluation. Taylor's attorneys say Taylor was doing his job and acting in defense of himself and others. Today's one witness who spoke directly about Da Silva says his behavior changed drastically in the months prior to the shooting, and that, just to let you know, is a fact that wouldn't have likely been admissible during the trial phase. Now, there will be a pause in the hearing for now due to several scheduling conflicts. We'll pick back up on November 25th. That's a Monday before Thanksgiving with the defense's witnesses. Jen, Daniel.
All right, Bree, thank you so much. Going in depth right now, this could be the first time an APD officer has been convicted of a crime for an on-duty shooting, as there's no information in the KXAN archives of this happening before. There are, however, former officers who have received sentences, such as Walter Dodds. Dodds was given a 5-year deferred adjudication sentence in March of this year over a 2020 sexual assault case. Deferred adjudication is a type of probation allowing the person sentenced to keep the conviction off their criminal record.
Well, we are hearing from the sister of the student killed at Manor Senior High School this week. We're also learning